Hey guys, so today we're going to be doing a review of Vanguard's Roth IRA. Is this the right fit for you? Now, if you don't know what a Roth IRA is, by the way, your investment gains are 100% tax-free. It is a retirement account. And if you're considering Vanguard's Roth IRA, or should even consider it, I would say for one, okay, it has ultra low fees compared to the other ones, right? It is just 0.09% compared to the industry average of 0.42%. Means more of your money stays invested and it grows over time. And you get a massive fund selection, okay? I believe Vanguard has over 160 plus Vanguard funds, no transaction fees, okay? And thousands of ETFs and other funds as well. All the ETFs on the platform, by the way, are commission free. So it's great for long term hands off investors. And reputation, of course, Vanguard has had a long standing track record and is trusted by millions of investors for retirement. But it's not perfect for everyone because many Vanguard mutual funds actually require $8,000 to $3,000 minimum investment amount. If you're just starting out, that could be a hurdle, right? And trading fees, while I know a lot of Vanguard's funds are fee free, but if you're trading non Vanguard mutual funds, they can cost you about $8 to $50 per trade. So if you're planning on switching funds often, might not be the best platform for you. So this is basically only good for investors who are, focused on a long-term buy and hold strategy. If you want a low-cost index or mutual fund, and if you have at least $1,000 to invest in individual funds. But otherwise, that's the breakdown. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.